over here. There we go. Good.
Good. Good.
Okay, relax right here for me. Very good. Okay, relax here. Excellent. Completely exhale. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Wow. There we go. That was a little better.
There we go. Yes, sir, Bob.
Now straight PRs. Look up. There you go. Let's see if we can do it here.
Oh my gosh.
Good girl.
There we go.
Good.
That's it. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good. Excellent. Excellent.
That's one. There you go. Good. There you go. Good.
Touch me a little bit. Good. Look up. There you go.
There we go.
Head down. Good. That's it. Just let it happen.
Yes, sir. Good job. That's perfect. Didn't get any better than that, Israel. Good job.
Relax for me. Oh.
Let your shoulder relax.
Oh,
Ooh.
tender.
There's one more just be sit the lunate there too.
Oh. Oh.
There we go.
There you go.
Good, nice.
Okay, right there. Relax right in here. Excellent. Good.
Okay, move your right finger. There you go. Perfect. It's getting stuck in the holes. There. Good. Oh, yeah. I heard that. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, ma'am. There we go.
Very good. Good. Relax right in here. Very good.
Just relax. Let your head just be heavy on the table. Nice and heavy, okay? Let it go.
Oh, jeez.
Let it go. Just like that. Boy, they gonna crack addicts gonna love you. Yes, ma'am. Good job.
Relax here. Very good. Relax here. Very good. Very good.
There it is. That one's off too. Boy. There we go.
Now she's a little more relaxed. Good.
Excellent. Good stuff. Completely exhale. Good. Very good.
Perfect. Boy, crack addicts gonna love you. Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Oh my, look how much that's opened up.
I
last
know.
couple times.
Good. Good. Oh, that was really good.
Yeah.
This way. Okay, right here. Good.